Hi, happy holidays! We are skipping the flower painting workshop in December, but it's never too early to plan for 2022. In 2022, our first flower painting workshop will be on Saturday, January 8th. We will be painting Orchid. Many of you that started learning how to paint Sumi-e floral may have started with the four gentlemen, and the orchid that you have painted probably look like this. We will do a quick revision on that, but since many of you already know how to do this, we are going to actually paint the orchid that we can commonly find in flower shops across America. In a lot of greenhouses, this is the orchid that you can commonly find, and it is so beautiful that you will see them year-round, and they usually make into beautiful corsage and flower arrangement. So this is the orchid we are going to paint together. If you would like to do this with me, remember to register for the January 8th, Saturday, 2022, and we'll paint orchid together. Thank you. Bye-bye.